So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Facebook ad here on the Visme mobile application. So once you're into the Visme mobile application, go to the bottom right here and press on the blue circle with the plus icon. Then where it says project type, simply press on social media. Now at the top here where it says Facebook ads, Facebook posts, Facebook covers, simply just press on Facebook ads. And what this actually does is it gives you the proper templates or the proper dimension size for a Facebook ad here on Facebook. So as you can tell, the dimensions will be 1200 by 628. So what you can do now is actually scroll to the bottom here and find a template of your choosing, or if you just want to keep it blank, you can go ahead and press on blank template. It's going to keep the dimensions the exact same, but with just no prior graphics added. But feel free, if you want to go ahead and search one up, you can find one. So if you just, for example, have a real estate business or whatever, and you want to go ahead and press on this smart house one right here, you can simply just go ahead and do that. It's now going to take a couple seconds to load this template into the app, but once that is done, it's a pretty straightforward process on how you guys can create a Facebook ad here on Visme. So as you can tell, you can now select on whatever you want. You can edit whatever you want as well, upload your own social or upload your own media, whatever the case may be. This is time for you to get creative now to create this Facebook advertisement. But as I mentioned before, pretty straightforward process on how you guys can create a Facebook ad here on the Visme mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.